All right, here we are at the Tanner Gun Show, Jefferson County. Hey, Brad,
Yes.
you know, you ask, what are your people going to get with every $100 order?
All right, $100
I'm
order.
going to think one of these.
All right, you're going to get one of these for every $100 that you spend with us at, I don't know what it is, sharpensbest.com. All right, we got a whole, ooh, I like that. And it's got a good spring, and there you go. And it's got, oh, it's this way, Carabiner. All right, that you can hook on your belt. That's actually a really nice knife. Spend $100 for sharpensbest.com and get a knife, and let's see what we got. Oh, well, it's not too bad. That's not too bad.
What can you do?
What can I do? Well, we're going to just take the simple little one like this. We're going to do this. Go right on around. I put it on the table so I could add a little pressure to it. Right on out like that. Flip it over. Okay, now this is going to be a knife that I have 35 different angles on the blade. It has to have, because you couldn't possibly just keep the same bevel going. Just like that, like that, that. Let's see what we got now. This is hard to hang on to. It's slick. All right, there you go. Mr. Brad Buckner. Yep, it's actually a nice knife. Order $100 on sharpensbest.com. We'll give you a knife.